Hi, it's Kelly Ray. I wanted to talk to you today about a frustrating thing I keep coming across with accountants. Contrary to what you may think this video is about, I'm actually a huge fan of accountants. If you don't have a good accountant, you're in big trouble. But what I wanted to talk about was an issue I've come across several times this week and so many times over the past 4 years. People don't have the proper financial statements that they need to really make a difference in their business. So the worst case example would be, let's say, a tradesperson who once a year drops off a shoebox full of all of his receipts to his accountant and expects them to do their magic with those numbers and let him know, did he make any money that year? That is the worst thing you can do. The best case scenario is your accountant is providing you with accurate monthly financial statements, including your income statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement. Sometimes an income statement is also called a profit and loss statement. But if you're not getting those 3 statements every month, it's really hard for you to build a budget and to look at your actual results versus your budgeted results every month. Now, I want to defend accountants and bookkeepers for a minute here because I believe that we as business owners and as consumers have taught them to not do the extra work that we need them to do to have the numbers that we need to have. So let me explain. A lot of times when your accountant does really great work, for example, they do your year end, they may do some adjusting journal entries, they may move some money around with the way that you paid yourself as an owner to save you money on tax, and clean your books up and give you the details you need to run a really great business. But then you get a really big bill and you're really upset. So accountants, in my experience, have been criticized and clients have gotten upset at them enough times about bills that they're trying to do as efficient as a job as possible for you. So your accountant doesn't want to give you a big bill. They don't want to get yelled at. They don't want to argue with you about how much you should have to pay. So they're probably not doing the work that you need them to do. But all you have to do is ask. So if you're getting the bare minimum accounting and bookkeeping done, it's not serving you. You need to ask your accountant to do the things that you need them to do. And those are monthly, every single month, you need those financial statements. And also another big important thing is they need to break out your income and your cost of goods accounts into sub-accounts. Like if you offer massage, pedicure, facials, and other aesthetic services, and you only have one income account, and you only have one cost of goods account for all the supplies and all the labor, there's no way for you to figure out the gross profit margin on your different products and services. And your accountant, being super efficient, not wanting to charge you a lot, is just going to lump it all into one income account and one COGS account. And that's not their fault. As I said, I'm not here to pick on accountants. They're amazing people. We need them. But yeah, so those are the 2 things you really need to ask your accountant for. And I'll just recap really quick because I want to make sure that you know the 3 statements: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement every month, and update your budget. And make sure that they have that reconciled within a reasonable amount of time of the end of the month. We can't wait until December to work on March. We need to know as soon as possible. And then also you really want to have them break out your accounts, income accounts and expense accounts, so that you can properly calculate your gross profit. Because most of you that aren't doing a really good job in business are spending a lot of time, money, and marketing pushing your least profitable products and services, and that's why your bottom line sucks. So if you can figure out the most profitable products and services and do more of those, your net profit, your bottom line is going to go up instantly. So this is not an accountant bashing video. This is a pro accounting video. I just wanted to share that with you to teach you that you need to ask for what you need from your accountant. I hope you guys have a really awesome day.